Good morning YouTube, and welcome back to another lovely sunny day. And I'm back where T4 dreams are made, the doghouse. Back to work on this old girl. Look how high she is. Wow, she is up high. I have just got here into the morning coffee, and let me put that down. As you've seen on the last episode, the engine has been removed. Now I've still got a few bits and bobs I need to get out of her, that being one. Few bits and bobs, pipes and other miscellaneous garbage. I need to get the last of the stuff out the dash. The heater box has to still come out because the old, whoa, this chair's not bolted on. The old style dash was in here, and I'm putting a new style dash and that won't fit underneath it, so I need to check that out. Pedal box needs to come out. This random electrical blue wire, I want to try and trace that back somewhere, maybe. And yeah, just a load of miscellaneous stuff. I'm going to finish off my morning coffee and then start making a start on this shenanigans, because there's not a lot going on in there, and I need to get it cleared up. I'm going to finish off my morning coffee and wait for Di to get here, and I'll see you in a second. And a little bit more prepared. Coffee inside me, waking up I am. So first things first, I want to get these off because they are definitely protruding quite a bit, and I'm terrified I'm going to smash my head into one. So that is the first porticle. Oh, look at that, right size first time. I wouldn't actually mind getting some more of this and extending it a little bit more, and also at the back sort of pull it back a little bit so it takes up a bit more. See if you can see, it starts just there, so I have it running probably to there, and then I've got all of that. I can put something, maybe a roof rack up here, but also have it removable. Let me see if I can get some more of that. I'm going to start getting on to moving all this lot, sorry, removing. Might even tart up this engine bay a little bit. We'll see. Right, let's get some stuff removed. I don't know what I'm doing. I literally just came inside to see what else was holding the heater box on, and it fell off. Turns out there's not really a lot that actually holds. What the f is that? There's not actually a lot that holds that in. That. Well, there's them 3 bolts that go round this, which goes that way. 3 bolts that go round that. There was a random one there, random one there. I think that was it. And then it just fell out. That was a lot quicker and easier than I thought. So, how much room I've got in here now? Even got a little. Okay, babe. Tell you what, I'm going to remove this seat, put this somewhere else. This all needs to come apart, so that is now my new job. Well, that's now all taken apart and all taken off. That's the brakes now unbreakable. And now on the inside, I don't know how well I'm going to be able to show you this. I am going to have to remove that seat, I think, just to give me a bit more room. And probably move this gear knob because it's right in my way. But to get the servo off, there's a bit of rubber by here. You can pull that off, and up and behind it you can just about see up there, there's a bolt. There's 3, I think. There's one there, there's one on this side, I think there's a couple down the bottom, and then the servo will come out, and then I can start looking at getting this pedal box out as you probably very well noticed, is missing a pedal. 1, 2, no 3. Accelerator's already out. There you go, you can get a better look now. There's 1. There's 2. There you go, right there. And 1 below it there. So it's not too bad. Now technically, just like that, removed. That's now disconnected. Now time for the clutch. And then the pedal box. Yay! Well, since the last clip, a few things have happened. This ain't all coming out because the whole back plate will have to come out, which means all the strengthening for the steering column won't be there, which means this won't be able to steer. So that's staying in till last minute. It's only held in with bolt up there, bolt down there somewhere, and then there's 6 bolts around the outside of the plate. So that's staying in for now, just so this thing is still movable. But that needs to come out because I really don't need that in here. And for the clutch, that all needs to come out. This I need to trace back and get out. Throttle cable and give it a clean. That's the plan. The last job of the day, get these couple of brake lines out, get that done, and then pretty much this is as much done as I think I'm going to get done, especially for today anyway. Well, I've pretty much done everything I need to get done. I mean, I've well and truly gutted this bad boy out. It's looking a lot emptier. So this thing is probably done for today. And I'll have to pick this up next time I'm here. But I definitely have something good to work towards next time I'm here. Look who's arrived. Ah, someone's late to the party. Oh, in fact, let's end the video in the van. I miss sitting in this thing. Anyway, Di and Jonathan are sat just off camera. I think they're waiting to get this thing moved because it's in the way, but I'm gonna get myself gone. Hopefully you guys are excited to see the next episode and to see what happens next. I'm so pleased to have this thing back. But anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed. As always, you guys are awesome. Thank you very much for putting up my dumb ass. Oh, I can't stop looking at her. Anyway, thank you very much. Take it easy.